टू 4/3 into e to power I theta plus 2/3 Z2 by Z1 equals 3/4 1 by this 3/4 नहीं magnitude 3/4 power minus I theta is 2 1/2 3/4 is 2/3 3/2 3/4 2 e to power I theta plus 1/2 power minus I theta. Now mode of this 2 cos theta 2 plus 1/2 cos theta 3 times of 2 minus 1/2 sin theta. Okay. What is mode of jet? 25/4 plus 9/4 root mm, 2/3 2/1. Mhm. What will be mode jet? 25/4 cos square theta plus 9/4 sin square theta. Anything anywhere calculation mistake is there?
Sir, I square will be -1. I square. Yes, no, sir. No. Minus square.
This square plus this square magnitude. Mode Z1 equal to 4 mode Z2. हम्म, just 1 minute. This is previous year's question, but magnitude will be this only.
Sir, if the question is 3z1 plus 2z2, then we will get imaginary part equal to 0 in the question.
In the question,
3z1 equal to 2z2, then we will get imaginary part equal to 0. If we will go
Three-
this by this process, we are not getting the answer which is not there in the option. We are getting an
Yeah.
answer which is not there in the option.
3 more Z1 equal to
2, if we take 2z2, 2 mod
2,
z2,
2 more Z2. Acha.
then we will get the imaginary part. We will get all the real part of mod z.
Hmm.
Then imaginary part of z is 0.
I think there could be some printing mistake because this is previous year's question. Paper. If it is 2
You
here,
didn't got it in the exam. I
Sir,
just
you
now
take 3z1 by 2z2 equals 2.
I just now saw
3
it
more
in the
Z1 equal to
rule.
2 more Z2 है ना?
No, sir. If we take 3 mod Z1 by 2 mod Z2 equals 2.
That only, sir. If we bring it here, we will get equal to 1.
Okay, this is 4.
Yes, sir. If we keep that as 4 and we bring 2 from that, sir.
3, 2. This is how much? 2. Like that. You are
Yes, sir.
saying this. Wait. Minute.
Sir, I did by this method. We are not getting the answer.
Just a moment. 3 by 2, Z1 by Z2 equal to 2 into e to the power I.
Sir, you will get the same answer. What you got? Mod Z equal to root over 25 by 4 cos square theta. You will get same.
Yeah, I think so.
Sir, actually the question is wrong, sir. Even
Yeah. Here it
it
should
is
be.
2Z2.
Let me check in some other book. Because this is previous year's question. Not getting. Just 1 minute. As he, let me do by this way. I think as he said, we will get the same answer. By so this is 2 into e to the power I theta. Three by 2 Z1 by Z2 plus 1 by 2. If you take reciprocal,
Yes, sir. 1 by 2 e power minus I theta.
if you take 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into e to the power minus I theta. Same thing.
The second step, sir. 25.
5 by 2 cos theta plus 3 by 2 I sin theta. You'll get same thing. Okay, what you are saying, if it is 2, something wrong with the printing. So mod Z1 by mod Z2 equals 2 by 3. Z1 by Z2 equals 2 by 3 into e to the power I theta. Z equal to, what is that? 3 by 2. 3 by 2 Z1 by Z2 plus 2 by 3. This is the question, na? 3 by 2.
Yes, sir.
3 by 2 into 2 by 3 e to the power I theta plus 2 by 3. 3 by 2 e to the power
Yes,
minus
sir.
I theta. So 1. That
We
is
will
equal
get
to
2 cos theta.
2 cos theta. Yes. I think it should be the it should be the question. Yeah, this is wrong question. What is next? Next question is next question. This was question number 19. What is the next question? Tell me the next question. Soeb, what is the next question?
Nisab said in the chat question number 3.
Huh?
Question number 3.
Just draw the diagram. From there, we'll get all these type of questions. Question number 3. Mode of z minus minus 2i equals less than equal to 2. All the points on the circle or inside the circle. And the other one is greatest value of z minus 3 minus I. Okay. Now, integrate 0, minus 2. This is x-axis. Now, distance from any point on the circle or inside the circle to the point root 3, minus 1. Root 3 minus 1 will be on the circle. This is root 3, minus 1. Because this distance is how much? The distance is 2. The distance is how much? The distance from this point to this point is 2. And the maximum distance from a point on the circle or inside the circle to this point is how much? 4. What will be the answer? 4. Z should be here. Just opposite. The other end of the diagonal. Diameter. See, this is the circle centered at 0, minus 2 with radius 2. The meaning of inequality is z can be anywhere on the circle or inside the circle. On the circle or inside the circle. Now, the distance from z means any point on the circle or inside the circle to the point root 3, minus 1. And root 3, minus 1 lies on the circle because the distance from this point to center is 2. Distance from this point to the center is 2. 3 plus 1, 2. Correct. So, if I put z here, then maximum of this. For maximum, and minimum will be how much? 0. What is the minimum of this? What will be minimum of this?
0.
0.
Then z will get the point 2.
Same, yeah. Both the points coincide. So minimum of this is 0, maximum of Z is, maximum of this is length, diameter 4. So in the key they have given 4, they have given 5. Four is there, no? Yeah, we'll change it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, answer is 4 only. Question number 19. Bonus 3, key correction. In the key they have given answer what? 5. Is it?
It is 4, sir. In key, it's given 5. B.
B. Okay,
Yes.
we'll correct. You correct. Any other?
Sir, question number 17, sir.
A similar question we have discussed, that contradiction method. What is that? Contradiction method. Let all the roots lie outside the circle, mod z equal to, sorry, inside the circle, mod z equal to 2/3. Let all the roots of the equation lie inside the circle, mod z equal to 2/3, the distance of the roots from origin. Okay, from origin to distance of the roots. So in the option they have given 2/3, so we'll take help of that. Get all the roots of the equation lie inside the circle mod z equals 2/3. So 3 equals taking mode of what is that? Sin theta 1 z cube sin theta 2 z square sin theta 3 z plus sin theta 4. Modulus of 3 is 3. Now mode of z1 plus z2 is less than equal to mod z1 plus mod z2. Less than equal to mode of, I'm writing in proper way, sin theta 1 into z cube mode plus mode of sin theta 2 z square mode of sin theta 3 z mode plus mode of sin theta 4. Okay. Now assuming this is z1, this is z2. Mode of z1 into mode of z2 is mode z1 into mode z2. This is equal to mode of sin theta 1 to mode z cube mode of sin theta 2 mode z square mode of sin theta 3 mode z mode of sin theta 4. Now again taking the upper limit of all sin thetas and mode z cube equal to mode z whole cube. I told you the region. In the last class I told you that Suppose z is r into e to the power I theta. What is z to the power n? R to the power n into e to the power n I theta. So what is mode of z to the power n? Equal to r to the power n into mode z to the power n. Okay. Magnitude of this complex number is r to the power n. Okay. Magnitude of this complex number is r to the power n. Now taking upper limit of all these sin thetas, mod z cube plus mod z square plus mod z plus 1. I have taken the upper limit of all sin thetas, 1 maximum value. And this equals 1 minus mod z to the power 4 by 1 minus mod z. GP. Now under this assumption, since all the roots lie inside the circle, so mode of z is less than 2 by 3. Z represents the roots. So mode z is less than 2 by 3. This is our assumption. So under that assumption, 1 minus mode z is positive. So we can cross multiply. The inequality will remain same. 3 into 1 minus mode z is less than equal to 1 minus mode z to the power 4. From here, we have 3 minus 3 mode z is strictly less than 1. Since mode z is positive. Mode z is positive. 1 minus some positive quantity. Strictly less than 1. Because mode z cannot be 0 because z equal to 0 doesn't satisfy the equation. If you put z 0, sin theta 4 is 3. That is not possible. So 0 is not the root of this equation. So mode z is positive. From here, what we are getting? Mode z is greater than 2 by 3, which contradicts our assumption. Which contradicts our assumption. Mode z is greater than 2 by 3, which contradicts our assumption. Hence, this is wrong. So all the roots lie outside the circle. Mode z equal to 2 by 3. So options are greater than 2 by 3. The distance of the roots means magnitude. Distance of the root is nothing but
Magnitude.
Distance of the roots from origin is nothing but magnitude of the complex number. So greater than 2 by 3. That option is correct. Next, any other question? Next question. Hmm. Yes. What is the next question? बोलो सईदुर रहमान. Saidur Rahman, what is next question? Hmm? Hello, you don't have any other doubt? Abdul Wase. No one is saying anything. Hmm? Okay, I'm doing ninth one. Look at it. Read question number 9. Z lies on the circle mode of z minus 2I equals 2 root 2. Then argument of z minus 2 by z plus 2. This circle center at 0, 2. With radius 2 root 2 is x-axis. Is y-axis. So obviously this point will be 2, 0 because this distance is how much? 2 root 2. Then check it. And by symmetry, this point will be
minus 2, 0.
minus 2, 0. Okay. Now let us take join it. This is C, this is A, this is A dash. What is slope of CA? Minus 1. And slope of CA dash
1.
1. Means this angle is 90.
Yes, sir.
Now pick up Z anywhere on the circle that lies on the circle. Same Z there. Join it. If you apply rotation, what will be this angle? Pi by 4.
Yes, sir.
If you apply rotation, 2 minus z by minus 2 minus z in this triangle, say A dash, and take P. Applying rotation in triangle, applying rotation in triangle PA dash. Anti-clockwise direction, 2 minus z by minus 2 minus z equals mod of 2 minus z by mod of minus 2 minus z to e to the power I pi by 4. So this is nothing but z minus 2 by z plus 2 equals mod of z minus 2 by mod of z plus 2 to the power I pi by 4. So argument of z minus 2 by z plus 2 equals pi by 4. Okay. This is a complex number whose magnitude is this r into e to the power I. Okay, any doubt? Any other doubt? Any other question?
Sir, question number 13, sir.
13. Shall I rub it?
Yes, sir.
Summation of cos A equal to summation of sin. So x to the power this. We have to find x to the power sin of 2a minus b minus c plus sin of 2b minus c minus a plus sin of 2c minus a minus b. You have to find this value. Similar question we have discussed already. Let z1 equal to e to the power ia. Okay. z2 equal to e to the power ib. Z3 equal to e to the power I C. Can I say that Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 is how much? Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 is how much? Cos A plus I sin A. Cos B plus I sin B plus cos C plus I sin D. So what will be this quantity? this is given. I assume Z1 is e to the power IA, Z2 is e to the power IB, Z3 is e to the power IC. Then what will be this value? Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3. क्या होगा? Shoaib, what will be this value?
Sigma cos A plus I sin sigma sin A.
What is the meaning of this? Cos A plus cos B plus cos C is 0.
Yes, sir.
What
Sigma
is the meaning of this? Sin A plus sin B plus
sin A plus
C.
sin B plus sin C.
This is cos A plus I sin A, cos B plus I sin B, cos C plus I sin C. Or cos A plus cos B plus cos C plus I times of sin A plus sin B plus sin C. Yes, right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir. Adding the part.
Adding
Yes.
cos A plus cos B plus cos C plus I times of how much it is? Sin A plus sin B plus sin C. And this will be how much? This is how much now? Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 equal to
0.
0.
It is in class, sir. You did this in class, sir.
No. Can you repeat?
Sir, we did, sir.
Your voice is not audible. Thank you, Raman.
Sir, I'm saying we did this problem in class, sir, earlier.
We discussed this type of problem, na?
Yes, sir.
So we have discussed many problems of this type. So putting the value this. Now here it is 2A plus B. Now it means what? E to the power 2IA by this. Okay. Now if A plus B plus C is 0, then what is Z1 cube plus Z2 cube plus Z3 cube is how much? Since Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 is 0, so this will be how much? 3. If A plus B plus C is 0, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube is 3ABC. So now dividing by Z1, Z2, Z3. Z1 squared by Z2, Z3 plus Z2 squared by Z3, Z1 plus Z3 squared by Z1, Z2 equals 3. This is nothing but Z1 squared e to the power 2IA by e to the power I times of B plus C. So this is e to the power I times of 2A minus B minus C. Can I say it? Put the value of Z1, Z2, Z3 here. Z1 is e to the power IA, Z1 square is 2IA, IB, IC. What will be this one? E to the power I times of 2B minus C minus A plus e to the power I times of 2C minus A minus B, that equals 3. Now, what will be the imaginary part of this? What is the imaginary part of this? Left hand side. Imaginary part of LHS is sine of, this is cos of this plus I sin this. Imaginary part of LHS. Equals how much? Sine of 2A minus B minus C.
Equal to 0.
Yes, equal to 0 because right side imaginary part is 0 plus sine of 2b minus c minus a plus sine of 2c minus a minus b equals 0. This is imaginary part of LHS and right side imaginary part of LHS is 0. So this value is 0. So what will be this value? X to the power 0 is how much? 1. The answer is 1. Okay. Answer is how much? Is it clear? Jasim, any doubt anywhere?
Clear, sir.
Junaid? Junaid, any doubt anywhere? You do the paper. If you have any doubt, you can ask me.
Yes.
Okay, you can ask me tomorrow also. Just try it. Shall I disconnect now?
Yes.
Okay.